Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to travel in RimWorld. First, open the world map and select the form caravan option. You'll then choose which colonists, animals, and items to include. Remember to pack enough food and medicine for the journey. Next, click on your desired destination, which could be a new settlement location or a trading post. Confirm your choices, and your caravan will begin its trek across the map. Once your caravan is on the move, it's crucial to manage its well-being. Keep an eye on your pawn's mood and health, as long journeys can be taxing. You might need to hunt for food or forage for wild plants to replenish supplies. If your colonists are exhausted or injured, consider setting up a temporary camp to allow them to rest and recover before continuing your journey. Travel in RimWorld is rarely uneventful. Be prepared for potential ambushes from hostile factions or raids from wild animals. You'll also encounter opportunities to trade with friendly settlements, exchanging goods for much-needed resources. Additionally, your caravan might face environmental hazards like extreme weather or difficult terrain, requiring careful navigation and resource management to overcome. Upon reaching your destination, you can choose to settle a new colony, establish a temporary base, or simply return to your original settlement. Once there, remember to unload all your valuable resources and organize your new base or storage. Traveling successfully opens up many possibilities for expansion and survival in RimWorld. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.